like this way of communicating where we're doing 1 for yes, 2 for no, and 3 for yes for these guys. Gerald?
This is fun.
Yes. Okay. So what else do we want to ask?
Did you leave the hair for us at the Dragon's Family Vortex?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you for that. It's a beautiful gift.
It's a beautiful gift. Are we going to be able to meet you in person and be allowed to remember it?
Yes.
Thank you.
Are they supposed to like carbon date the hair? Discussion is happening.
I feel like that's a big no.
1, 2, 3, 4. That was 4.
4.
Yeah. No.
That was 3.
That was
3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want us to get the hair looked at and analyzed so we can show people what it is?
I see.
No.
That's what I told you.
No.
I said
Well,
no.
Yeah.
I will keep it as a personal gift and wait for further contact.
Whether walk-ins can happen, where a human can have an accident or something like that, and then another soul drives the body. Is that possible? So is it okay? So Nolan on our last EXO hangout was talking about how he was in a workshop with Teal Swan, and they did a soul braid. But what he talked about in the soul braid was that his original soul stayed there,
Right.
And
exactly.
then another one, like his higher self, was then pulled in. So is soul braids possible where you keep part of your soul, but then more of your higher self comes in?
Yeah, and that's what I feel happened too, because it's not that like I don't have any memories of my previous life, but I still like love my parents, because you know what I mean? If I was like a completely different person, how would I love my parents, or how would I love my family or my sister? Like I still have memories of my childhood. So that means that, yeah, there's part of whatever Tracy 1 was, but Tracy 2 is like weaved in with a, yeah, exactly.
So is it beings here?
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I heard 6.
That was it.
I heard 6.
I heard
1, 2, 3,
4.
4. That was 4. The other one was 6.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 beings here.
Okay, that's cool.
So does that mean 1, 2, and 1 thing, or
No, well,
4
my
extra?
son's here. Right?
Yes.
But dimensionals are here. Besides us 4.
One.
So there's 4 humans, 3 of us at the table, and Nico in the room, and then there's 1 ultra-dimensional here right now. No. Dun, dun is no.
No.
Because 2 is no.
Ultra-dimensional.
So you're saying, so am I using the wrong word? Because I was saying ultra to do all beings, but maybe they're saying that there's, so there's 4 humans.
Yes.
1 ultra-dimensional, and then there's other dimensionals that don't call themselves ultra-dimensionals. What else words would you want to use?
I mean,
yes, and they said yes.
Yeah.
It's like the 4-minute mile. Once we do a breakthrough, then other people will be joining on and testing. And then this is how we're going to really advance this research that Jimmy Blanchette designed and created, and Mark Sims popularized. So if you have any breakthroughs, let us know at info@lightnet.org, and we'll be excited to be sharing that with the group. It's not too late to explore all the things that we cannot see. In fact, we're just in the beginning, and we look forward to researching the unknown with you.
I guess this one's the lady of my people. Maybe this one's for Jared. This is just an extraneous one. You guys trying to identify who comes through what? Me, Jared. I gotta just go by intuition. I don't know how we're gonna use this one to keep going to FM. Alright, I'm turning you off again. I'm sure you're gonna start blinking purple. Oh, there it is. See? I caught it. You're just going crazy?
I don't know. Keep asking questions.
Wow, it's back. An actual voice. Yes. Do you want me to start channeling Morse code? Or number code? Wow, that was interesting.
Good luck. This was you. Do the walkie-talkie too.
Oh, yes.
Said it knows where I am. It can't speak English.
It cannot?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it knows where I am, and it can come here whenever it can.
Cool. You want to ask it another question? Oh no, you have to ask one question at a time. Are you big?
This is what it does.
No, they're not big.
So you're small.
Are you small?
Are you small?
They might not really have a dimension, Nico, because they're kind of like maybe not matter like you and I are. They're maybe like in the air and stuff. So in a sense, maybe they're tiny because they're particles, or maybe they're not even like measurable like we are. But I could be wrong.
All right.
They said I was right. Yeah, so they're kind of made of pixie dust in a way. They're made of they're just different than us. But
Can you touch us?
can you touch us?
Are you,
Yes. I don't think they heard you very well. Okay, they said yes.
are you here?
Are you here? That might be also a paradox to them because they're probably in another dimension that we can't see. So they're not here in our dimension, but they're here in the sense that they can hear us and see us. Yes.
Are you associated with the angels? Well, that's other. Are you associated with the sylphs we talked about? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, click, click. That is a no, actually. What about the, are you associated with the subterranean realms? The corridors within the earth, those beings within the earth, something like that. 10, 9, 8, 7. All right, thank you. Would the association of a Punian, a Garthan, or some other designation that humans have used be appropriate here? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Thank you. I recognize you as a expressive being. And is there anything else you'd like to say or communicate here and now? 10, 9, 1, 2, 3. there is something.